As avid car campers, we understand the importance of reliable gear when planning our outdoor adventures. And from our experience, one thing we've learned is to prepare ourselves for any unprecedented situation. Therefore, we always carry a portable tire inflator and a jump starter for those just-in-case moments. Over the past few months, we've been using the Arzin STP12 air compressor and jump starter combo for our car camping trips, and gotta say that this is something. Arzin provided us with the support and trust for our every movement, so in this comprehensive review, we'll share our experiences and shed light on how the STP12 enhances the car camping experience, so enjoy. First things first, let us tell you that the device combines the functionalities of an air compressor, jump starter, power bank, and a flashlight, so we don't have to lug around multiple tools for different needs. Unboxing was pretty straightforward and we found these accessories inside the box. The device is visible from here, accompanied by the crocodile clips, valves for the tire inflator, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a nice little pouch to keep them well organized. It's good to see the Type-C connectivity, but we think that the cable could have been a bit longer. The device feels quite solid on hand and we have these buttons for easy operation. On paper, this one weighs about 1.6 pounds and with this compact design, we found it to be very easy to carry anywhere. That's enough about the initial impression, now let's talk about the practicality. One of the fundamental aspects of car camping we consider is the journey to our chosen campsite. And no wonder that the journey toward the campsite often involves rough terrains and unpaved roads. In such scenarios, having properly inflated tires is crucial for a safe and smooth drive. The STP12's air compressor can deliver up to 150 psi, which guarantees that our tires maintain their proper pressure on the most difficult of trails. To be honest, we're happy to see how quickly the STP12 inflated our car wheel at the time of the need. Arzin claims that this portable device can inflate up to 15-inch car wheels from 0 to 36 psi within only 5 minutes, which seemed like a good deal to us. It's got a high-power motor and metal construction, which we found to be very effective for rough usage. The 4 preset modes allowed us to select the perfect pressure setting for different types of vehicles, from cars to SUVs and even bicycles. And as we saw earlier, the STP12 comes with a variety of nozzles, making it suitable for various inflation purposes. So it's not only to inflate a car tire, but kayaks, air mattresses, or inflatable tents as well. Another thing that we found to be very practical is its accurate pressure detection and control system. The STP12 never overinflated our tires, as it automatically cuts off the output when the desired pressure is reached, with a precision of less than 0.01 psi. Must admit that this level of control gave us the proper peace of mind. Car campers know how a dead battery can quickly turn a fun camping trip into an ordeal. And luckily, this little device features a robust jump-starting function as well. With a peak instant current of 1200 amps, this one can revive a gasoline car up to 8 liters or a diesel vehicle up to 5 liters. According to our experiences, STP12 was well capable to activate our SUV in just 2 seconds. It's worth mentioning that it's got built-in latest activation design of 4 electrical cores. This means you won't be left stranded in the wilderness with a dead battery. And no matter we're navigating through remote wilderness or on a long road trip, we had this reliable jump starter in our glove box. We no longer had to worry about potential battery issues that could derail our plans. Monitoring the pressure and status of the device was also very straightforward thanks to this digital LED display screen. We found it to be user-friendly and provide instant information. As it doubles as a portable power bank with a universal USB outlet, we had backup power supply to keep our smartphones, camping fan, or other devices running for an extended period. For us, it was reassuring to know that we can stay connected even in remote camping locations. The STP12's high-lumen LED lighting modes have proven to be invaluable during our car camping trips. Whether we need to illuminate our campsite for cooking, read a map in the dark, or signal for assistance with the SOS flash mode, the STP12 provided clear visibility. After taking everything in consideration, we can say that the Arzin STP12 air compressor and jump starter is surely a solid tool for car campers. It's reliable, versatile, charges fast, and portable. We did not face any unexpected failure during our usage period, and we think for the price tag under $150, it's a good choice. It can handle rough usage, maintain proper tire pressure, jumpstart a vehicle quickly, inflate camping gear, and much more. In fact, we think that every household should have at least one STP12. So if you're looking for something reliable within your budget, the Arzin STP12 could be a wise choice. Don't forget to check out the video description where we have a special 5% off discount code just for you. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section down below and share this video if you find this to be helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website at goouttdoorzone.com.